Good morning students. Now the next part we are going to discuss about the devices we used for temperature, that is thermometer. The first device which we are going to do, that is laboratory thermometer. The thermometer basically we are using in science labs. This thermometer is look almost the same like the thermometers you are having in your home, the clinical thermometer, but yes, the readings which are given on the scale, that are what different. You can see that in your books also. With this, what we are having, a bulb here, a tube here in which the mercury flows, okay, marking from -10 degree to 110 degree. Okay, on this scale we have marking of the reading from -10 degree to 110 degree. This is known as bulb. This whole part, what happened, the mercury level rises in it as the temperature rises. Okay, and the stamp. Now what we are having in this, a glass capillary tube. This is the glass capillary tube in which the mercury flows. The temperature reading from -10 degree to 110 degree. And this long part of capillary tube, this whole long part, that is known as stamped, and marking of the reading is from -10 to 110. Now what happened, when you put this thermometer in a water, a boiling water, then it will show you the 100 mark reading. Okay, this mercury level will rise and come till this 100 mark. And if you put that in icy cold water, the melting ice, which is at 0 degree Celsius, so it will mark here at 0 degree. It will mark here at 0 degree. So the space between all these 0 and 100 mark is divided into 100 equal divisions. Fine. So कैसे, -10 to 0, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. तो ये जितनी मार्क्ड रीडिंग्स हैं इनकी क्या हो जाएंगी, ये टोटल जो डिफरेंस डिविजन्स हैं, दैट टोटल वी आर हैविंग हाउ मच, 100 divisions. Clear? So this is about the laboratory thermometer. Now how we are going to use it? For that, nothing you have to do. Take some water, either the melting ice water or the boiling water. With the help of stand, hold this thermometer. Now what you will do, put this thermometer in that water. This is very important, beta. This bulb should touch that object. Whatever the measurement you are going to have, this bulb should touch that object. When this bulb touch that object, what happen, the mercury level in this capillary will start rising. Okay, it will start rising. You have to wait for some time. It stabilize itself. When it stabilize itself, at what degree it is coming, you just note down that degree. Here it's coming out to be at 30 degree. You just note down that degree and you will tell that a particular body is having this much amount of temperature. This is about the laboratory thermometer. Then the next, now we will have the clinical thermometer.